Hello everyone, myself Deepika Singh, Senior Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, BBD University. Today I will discuss about the topic Introduction, History and Importance of the Microbiology. Introduction of Microbiology. Microbiology is a science that deals with the study of microorganisms. Microorganism is the living organism of microscopic size which includes bacteria, viruses, protozoans, fungi, etc. Microbiology term introduced by a French chemist Louis Pasteur who demonstrated that fermentation was caused by growth of bacteria and yeast. These microorganisms can't be seen by naked or unaided eye. They are only seen under the microscope. These microorganisms are present everywhere on earth like animals, human beings, plants, soil, water, food and atmosphere. Small subcellular or cellular living beings with millimicron or micron in size are not visible to our naked eye are called microorganisms. Microorganisms are basically classified under two categories like prokaryotic microbes and eukaryotic microbes. Branches of microbiology. There are various main branches of the microbiology which deals with the study of the various microbes like mycology which deals with the study of the fungi, bacteriology which deals with the study of the bacteria, nematology which deals with the study of the nematodes, phycology which deals with the study of the algae, virology which deals with the study of viruses and protozoology which study of the protozoans. And other branches of the microbiology is medical microbiology, food microbiology, industrial microbiology, soil microbiology, aquatic microbiology and agriculture microbiology. Other than most important branch of the microbiology is the pharmaceutical microbiology which is related with the pharmacy. Pharmaceutical microbiology is deals with the study of microbes which are responsible for the production of the antibiotics, enzymes, vaccines, vitamins and other pharmaceutical substances. It also includes the method of the sterilization and disinfection, microbiological testing of the pharmaceuticals, sterile product preparation, diagnosis of the disease and treatment. History of microbiology. Although microbes were the first life form to occupy the planet Earth, knowledge about microbiology is well developed with new dimension only after the invention of the microscope and contribution of the knowledge to the field of the microbiology from various scientists. Like first one is the Robert Hooke. Hooke was the first person to discover the cell's honeycomb-like structure from the cross-section of a cork. He also developed simple microscope of 30x magnification and observed few microbes. The second one is the Antony von Leeuwenhoek. He invented simple microscope with magnification power up to 300x. He observed bacteria from his teeth scrap under the microscope and named as animalcules. Leeuwenhoek is famous person who is always praised as the father of the microbiology and he was the first person to describe the protozoa and bacteria. Third one is the Louis Pasteur. He is considered as the pioneer of the microbiology as his contribution led to the development of the microbiology as a separate scientific discipline. He is regarded as the father of the modern microbiology and immunology. He proved the theory of the biogenesis and disproved the theory of the spontaneous generation, that means abiogenesis, experimentally by using swan-necked flask. Pasteur passed the untreated and unfiltered air in the boiled nutrient broth. Germs settle in the goose neck and no microbes appear in the solution. Thus, He disproved that living organisms appear from the non-living matter. He discovered the presence of the bacteria in air and classified the bacteria into aerobic and anaerobic form. He discovered the role of anaerobic microbes in the fermentation of the sugar. He also working on the sourcing of the wine and beer and found that this alcohol spoilage is due to the growth of the undesirable organisms while desirable of microbes produce alcohol by a chemical process called fermentation. Fourth one is the John Tyndall. He developed a sterilization method known as the Tyndallization. In Tyndallization method, subsequent heating and cooling by steam for 3 days will remove the germ and spores. Heating at 100 degrees centigrade kills the vegetative cells. The spore forms are killed on subsequent heating upon germination of the spore. Next scientist is the Robert Koch, which is known as the father of the practical bacteriology. He developed first time culture technique to culture the bacteria in the laboratory and first time staining technique to stain the bacteria with acidic or basic solution developed by him. Aseptic organisms should be found constantly in the association with the disease and organisms should be isolated and grow in the pure culture in the lab, which are discovered by the Robert Koch. The next scientist is the Edward Jenner, who play an important role in the history of the microbiology. He discovered a safe and efficient vaccination against smallpox, which ultimately led to the eradication of the smallpox variola. Jenner observed that dairy workers exposed to occupational cowpox infection were immune to the smallpox. He also proved experimentally that resistance to smallpox can be induced by injecting cowpox material vaccinia from disease into a man in 1796. He tested his vaccine with a small boy named James Phillips. Pasteur also gave general term vaccine in the honor of the Jenner cowpox vaccine. Joseph Lister. Joseph Lister is known as the father of the antiseptic surgery. He prevented post-operative sepsis by introducing antiseptic techniques. He chose carbolic acid, that is the phenol, and used as the spray on the wound or during surgery. He applied dressings soaked in carbolic acid on the wounds, resulting in marked reduction of the post-operative sepsis and wound inflammation. Next scientist is the Selman Waksman. Selman Waksman play an important role by their discovery of the streptomycin antibiotic from soil bacteria, but he isolated Thiobacillus thiooxidans bacteria, which is an important discovery before he identified streptomycin antibiotic. Last one is the Alexander Fleming. He associated with two major discoveries like lysozyme and antibiotic. In 1922, he discovered lysozyme by demonstrating that the nasal secretion has power of dissolving or lysing certain kind of the bacteria. The scope and importance of the microbiology. Microbiology is an applied science that has great impact on the various disciplines like biotechnology, biochemistry, genetics, food science, medicine, ecology, immunology, agriculture, etc. First is the biotechnology. Microbes are responsible for the production of the various enzymes like ligase, restriction endonuclease, which are used as DNA manipulating enzymes. Some microbes are used as host cell or organisms to clone desired gene for the desired product. Second is the industry. Microbes are used for the various purposes like used in food industry and dairy industry to produce fermented food products. for the production of the industrial chemicals like acetic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, etc. by fermentation process. They play an important role in the production of the ethyl alcohol in brewing industry. Next is used in the medicine and environment. Like in medicine, microbes are used for the production of various antibiotics that are used to treat pathogenic disease of man, human beings and animals. Some heat-killed microbes are used as vaccine against various kinds of the pathogenic microbes causing disease. In environment, microbes play important role in the biogeochemical cycle. They play an important role in the production of the biogas from the biological waste product. They also play an important role in the agriculture and other formation of the steroid biotransformation. In agriculture, some microbes are used as biofertilizers to enrich soil fertility. There are some bacteria they can fix invert atmospheric nitrogen in other substances. They are known as the nitrogen fixing bacteria. For example, Rhizobium, Anavinum, Azotobacter, etc. Microbes are also used in the steroid biotransformation. Thank you for giving your valuable time.